Hi guys, want to learn how to either enable or disable search engines from indexing your web page? Here's how you can do it. Go to the Pages dropdown here on the Wix Harmony Editor. Look for the page you want to work on and click the three-dot button next to its name. Go to SEO and Accessibility, then select SEO. Here, make sure to expand the menu list and expand the Let Search Engines Index This page. If this is already set up, especially when you optimized it with the help of Wix Harmony's AI, go ahead and click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, this toggle should appear over here. You can simply toggle this button on or off depending on whether you want to enable or disable search engines from indexing this certain web page. And once you make the changes you need to make, just go ahead and click on the Apply button to save your changes. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you found this video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.